Anubhav Agarwal, a young boy, is in love. And when you are in love, something is bound to go wrong. That is what happens with him. He loses himself in his love so much that it hurts. Why not me? So, is this book a pick or a drop? In order to find out, you have to watch this video. Hello, welcome back to another episode of Review Ravivar with Reva, where I try and review a new book for you every Ravivar. So, without any further delay, let's talk about our this week's pick. Why Not Me by Anubhav Agarwal. The story is about a young boy who falls in love with a girl through social media. And in order to find out if his love story goes successful or not, you have to read the book. But whether you should read the book or not, I'm going to help you decide that. About the author. Anubhav Agarwal is a poet, writer, storyteller, and a mental health advocate based in Uttar Pradesh. He enjoys a huge number of followers on Instagram. In the past year, he has been successful author of two books, Why Not Me? A Feeling of Millions, and the other one is Hands Down, The Simplest Ways to Move On. Things I liked. The book is very simply written and has a beginner-friendly sense to it. The book is in two languages. One is English and other one is Hindi. So you can read the Hindi version of the book as well. The next thing is that the characters and the storyline is very simple. So there won't be anything to complicate or confuse you. The characters are pretty basic. And that is what makes the book very relatable to a variety of readers. The situations and the actions are pretty basic, like in any other Indian household. For example, the girl being monitored with whom she meets and talks. Like I mentioned that the book is very simple and beginner friendly, I'm sure you can finish it off quickly within a week. Things I disliked about the book. The characters see no development or growth as the plot forwards. The main character, Anubhav here, you see him from class 10 to his college life. But you cannot tell if there's any difference from the boy who was in class 10 to the guy who is now in college. The character does not go through any change and he's the same old guy. The translation of the book is very weak and it can use some serious re-editing. But the plot is engaging enough to make you overlook the mistakes and the grammatical errors. If I were to see the book on just the basis of its cover, I'm sure a lot of readers won't pick it up. From my side, this book gets a 2. It is written from an idea to help people who are in pain and are going through heartbreaks. So if you're somebody who find it interesting, you can pick it up. This is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, make sure to like it, share it with your friends, and comment down below what other book review you would want to see next. Till the next video, keep reading, stay happy and stay safe. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.